Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my patrons and those who ordered their Tesla using my referral code. Hurry up. Until the end of September, you can get 2,000 free supercharging miles. Again, today we're gonna, unfortunately I do it once in a while, talk about a horrific car accident involved a Tesla car. Now, with all the sadness, let me preface everything, with all the sadness and all the tragedy, it's a human tragedy, very rarely car accidents make it to a national news. Very rarely. I mean, it's always local news, it's always, in your town if it happens and all that, but rarely they make it all the way to the national news, except if it's Tesla. When it's Tesla, it's in the first top breaking news on CNBC and Fox Business and everybody. And there are a lot of reasons for that. But that's okay. We will deal with that. Now, again, I preface it. This is tragedy. This is sad. There's always investigations on any accident. But an accident that happened on Highway 95, Interstate 95 in Maryland, I drive there all the time, involving the Henderson family. I think the wife, I would say, Christian Henderson, really in a comatose state, injured really badly when her Tesla Model 3 rammed into the highway divider, and the airbags did not, the side airbags did not operate. They did not, opened as a result of the accident, and that's of course under investigation. The family lawyer sent a letter to Tesla. He claims he didn't get an answer back. So obviously, accidents like this, unfortunately, happen all the time. We all see them. Those of us who drive a lot, have experience driving, we saw our car accidents after the fact. As they happen, we all did see that. It's part of it. Accident resulting of airbags not functioning also happens. This happens. Now, if it will be treated as, it's an accident, what happened? Let's see what happens. What bothers me when they make nationals as if every single Tesla car is malfunctioning, the airbags will never deploy. That's the sense. You read the articles. I read these articles all the time. When it was with the autopilot, same thing, as if the autopilot will never function well. I'm sorry, with all sadness, I'm sorry, and I'm telling this to you, Tesla drivers, and I drove this car for 34,000+ miles in less than a year, and I'm telling you, you are the driver. You are the driver. That's it. There's no substitute. You are the driver. Whether you're on autopilot or not, you are the driver. You are to keep the car in the lane you are. Now, having said all of this, engaging in autopilot makes your driving experience exponentially safer and exponentially more pleasant. That is a fact. I am not relying on any survey or anything. I'm relying on my own experience. Driving this car 34,000+ miles on mega road trips, biblical proportion, okay? And I'm telling you, the autopilot, I don't know if this car was involved in autopilot, I don't know if it was engaged. Now, the airbag's not deploying, that is horrible, and maybe it is a problem of this particular car. I don't know, I'm not an investigator, but what I'm telling you, driving this car, you are exponentially safer than anybody on the road. I'm telling you, this is even if you are not engaged in autopilot, there's the lane correction that functions extraordinarily well all the time, and everything. So this is, I'm just putting it out there. I don't know what are the details. We'll find out. What I'm telling you, that at the end of the day, you are the driver, and if you are engaged in autopilot and you are in charge, you're not falling asleep and you're not distracted, you are exponentially safer. That's the point. Thank you guys for watching. Give me your thoughts below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.